straight part right here, he was faster on it. But otherwise, all the turns, bro, I was like, oh my god, this guy's going like a grandma.
I let you pass you.
Yeah, I know.
I was still adjusting.
I know.
Only second lap.
It's normal. I'm not making funny.
But if you're taking it in, like 2 in, and I'm taking 2 in, I think we'll be neck to neck.
I don't know. Wait a second. Take it back.
But this has to be the worst job ever.
It's like a job.
Seriously, it's the worst job.
I think just it's polisner or Molly mentioned.
Yeah.
You know?
But this is even worse, you don't do shit. In autocross, when I have to work, fucking half an hour I get fucking bored of my ass, bro. Look at this. Oh.
You got it to work? Alright. You want to show them the ultimate position in the bleachers?
I was surprised. My car has plenty of torque for this track.
I swear to God, I don't know why I drive my car on the street at all. Like, you can't drive it normally on the street. And over here, it's like, hey, I'm home.